Let's go ahead and unbox. We'll need 2 people after I get the handles. So we'll come with the rails. So 2 edge rails and 1 middle rail. Want 2 people to lift out the base that has the handle attached. You'll find your instruction sheet along with an Allen wrench, hex key, and 6 bolts. So we're going to start with the outside rail, and you'll want to make sure this has the attachment of the handle on the outside. First, want to get into the back hole here, and then manipulate it. Get it inside the front hole. Push it down to secure. Then we'll start with the middle rail. Same thing. Put it inside the back first, give you some leverage. And push that down snug. Then we'll take the last rail, inside that back hole, then manipulate into that next hole, push it down. Go ahead and take your Allen hex wrench out, along with your 6 bolts. And you'll make sure you put the bolts in the very back of the cart. There's 3 bolts here, so we'll start down here with the first bolt. Sometimes it takes a minute to thread it in, so we'll thread that one in. Thread the middle, hand tighten it, and then do the side. And once you get them hand tightened, then you want to fully tighten them with your Allen wrench. Once you have the 3 bolts fully tightened, you're going to want to kneel behind the cart and tilt it up so you can access the bolts on the other side. So the bolts will be 3 here in the front. So we'll start with this edge and hand tighten. Let's do the middle. This is what secures your middle rail. And here's your outside rail. Then fully tighten with your Allen wrench. Let's grab the handle. You'll notice that there's 2 holes on each side. So you want to make sure that goes on the same holes where you're putting the bolt into. And note, the first hole is for a 60-inch round, and the second hole, this hole right here is for the 72-inch round. We're going to be assembling this for a 72-inch round. So let's put one side in, and we'll start on the first hole and get that lined up into that hole. You can feel it going into that hole, so just make sure to line them up. And these will go all the way inside. So make sure you get those flush with this bolt. We'll go ahead and tighten it now with the Allen wrench. Now that you have the cart fully assembled, let's go ahead and tip it onto the casters. So just slightly lift it up here, then come back around on the side. Just support it as it's coming down. Now we're going to go ahead and load the cart. So we're going to put the casters out so you can actually get to the pedal. We're going to want to push on the on with your foot to make sure the brake is on and make sure it's stabilized. We're going to load the cart. You're going to want to go face to face. That's how we load the tables. So we'll load this table first. Go ahead and go over the ramp. Into the boulder. You grab your second table and face to face against the other table. And continue loading the cart the same way. This cart's designed to hold up to 12 tables. This cart will actually use approximately 54 inches in width. Thank you so much.